So never give up. Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. It's not easy. Keep working, keep striving, never give up, fall down 7 times, get up 8. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. So keep moving, keep growing, keep learning. See you at work.
Charlie, qua bộ à? What's good, guys? Yeah, I mean, it's been a long time. It's been a long time. But what's good, guys? What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? Yeah, it's been a long time. The light is way up in my face, but man, this is the only spot I could get. The light here is too bright, but all the same, it's cool. What's up? Hope you're all doing good. It's been a long time since I caught up to you guys, but I'm here now, and I just want to do a quick introductory video to show you guys where I am now. Not like where I am, but what is going on. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a whole lot now on my Instagram, on my stories. I've been putting a lot of things. Someone even said, why am I a dancer now? Do I dance and stuff? And I was like, no, I don't do stuff like that. Well, let me just explain real quick. So you see, I'm a graphic designer, like a full-time graphic designer. Yeah, but then bro, I'm switching careers right now, and I'm moving from being a graphic designer to a videographer. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to be a videographer. I've already started doing it, and you guys know I'm into photography, graphic design. It's like my eyes are very little, bro. What? Yeah. So I just came here to be a full-time videographer, and it's not like design things that I've been doing. I'm just here to do a full-time video, and I want you guys to come on this journey with me. So it'll be very bad for me to, do this job or do whatever I'm doing here, and I won't involve you guys, right? So this is me telling you that I'll be doing vlogs and like the whole stuff, right? The whole stuff, you feel me? The whole stuff. So this city is very beautiful. You know why I haven't even mentioned the city yet? Because this place is amazing, and I don't want to just say it. I want you guys to guess it and be like, oh yeah, this guy is here. Yeah. So I'll be doing vlogs now. Very dope vlogs, and since I came here, I've been to some places, some very nice scenery, the place is very beautiful, bro. I'll just put some on the screen now. And I don't know, this camera is busting. My skin is giving stuff and stuff. What about this? Yeah, my hair is really unkempt. My hair is bad. Yeah, I got a shave before getting here, but still, it just grew. And yeah, so guys, I wouldn't make this very long because I'm in a gym now. This is the gym. I'm in a gym now. Yeah, I'm in a gym, and this is the only place I could record right now because wherever I go, there's a lot of noise. Now that I'm even doing the video, there's a lot of noise here, and it's like throughout. Yeah. So in this place, you can't record anything. Like, you can't just take your camera and start recording. There are some places where you can't even use a professional camera, right? You can't even take a professional camera and start going about filming people, right? Because you need to get a license for that. But then if it's a phone, I mean, the phone is allowed. They can allow you to use the phone to do whatever you do. So let's say if I'm going on a video shoot, I'll just take my phone and show you guys around the scenery, like the place and everything. And I've taken some shots just this small while that I've been here, and it's amazing. And it's even phone shots, right? I'll put some on the screen. Phone shots, very dope, very dope, very dope. So yeah, if you don't see tutorials on the channel, you start seeing vlogs, you should understand that I'm no more where I was. Like, I'm a different place right now. So yeah, and I know how you guys support me. The support from you guys is very amazing, and I know you're also going to support me now that I'm here. And yeah, I look like bro, I look worse. Damn, but all the same, I mean, I know you guys got me. Yeah, so you should anticipate a first vlog video very soon. Should I look here or look here? I don't even know where to look. Let me just look here. So you guys should anticipate a vlog video very soon, because there's going to be maybe next week or next 2 weeks, or maybe next week. Yeah, there's going to be a video shoot, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, and yeah, show you this place and everything. So this is me telling you guys that the graphic design RBJ is now a videographer RBJ. Yeah, so if you see videos on my channel, if you see different stuffs on my channel, you should get it. Yeah, so guys, I won't make this video too lengthy. I'm just going to put it here. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next video. Yeah.